Want to lose weight, eating more? Learn with me this raw vegan green smoothie. Yes, this blend of fruits and vegetables is the perfect way for you to be better nourished, have a better health, don't lose your time in the kitchen or your head trying to count calories or trying to eat less and less and less without having the results. This detox smoothie will change your palate, your health, your brain. It will make you healthier. Follow until the end to learn how to make the best raw vegan green detox smoothie. Hi, this is Dr. Corassa. I have made these 4 recipe videos that will follow on the channel almost 10 years ago, but I haven't published them. So I would like you to see the recipes and enjoy as much as I did creating them and recording them. Watch until the end and give me a comment below.
Hi there, this is Eduardo Corassa for the second video of the recipes, and today we're going to make a banana celery smoothie. So for this recipe we're going to need 5 bananas, ripe ones, 4 celery stalks without the leaves, 5 pitted dates, don't forget to take out the seeds, and 300 ml of water, preferably coconut water. So we're going to peel the bananas. It's preferably to put the fruit first in the blender. We have to mention that in a raw food diet, a high intake of fruits and vegetables is the most important part. By mixing greens and fruit, it's a really good form, and by blending them both, it's a really good form to have a high intake of greens. It's a really important part of a raw food diet. And the dates will give a little bit extra taste. Preferably fresh dates. And the water. So add water as you desire. More water, you give a more watery feeling and less dense smoothie, and less water, it's going to give you a bit more of sugar, a little bit more of flavor, but it's going to be harder to drink. So close the lid and turn it on. And ready to serve. I love that a really good blender makes it so smooth, so easy to blend, instead of having to wait for a minute or so to have a really good, smooth and sweet smoothie. In a few seconds and without effort, you have the perfect smoothie. So let's give it a try. I love raw food. I love fruits and vegetables. So there you have it, our next recipe.
So do you like the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and also share. If you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I attend patients online and in private sessions. I run retreats here in Brazil. I have 6 online courses, but it's still in Portuguese, and I have 10 books that are being translated to English. The most recent one is the Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, the Natural Delicacy Cooking Without a Stove, and the Eden's Diet, the Guide to Raw Foods, the original diets. You can order them on Amazon, on print on demand, or in Kindle, and to arrive at your home, the printed version, so you can read the best there's out there on lifestyle medicine, the modern natural hygiene lifestyle medicine. So if you want to learn and to change your daily habits to more healthy habits, more healthy life, don't forget to read and click these videos to know more.